In this video, my wife is going to unbox, set up, and review this fridge. What? Just kidding, I'm going to help out too. Thank you Newair for sending us your stainless steel beverage fridge. You guys are really generous. We're now going to show you what's included inside the fridge.
Alright guys, so now we're going to open inside. What are the included stuff? Wow! Comes with a stainless steel, wow, very quality parts for your handle. This is your probably, I don't know what it is. Comes with instruction, quick start guide, how you register your Newair, and they give you 2 screw and a 2 washer, so make sure you're not gonna lose it. 2 pieces of your key. Wow, look at that, so very sexy. And your extra, that are the included stuff. Okay, so now we're going to put your stainless steel handle in our Newair refrigerator. So there's 2 holes here guys, one on the top and one on the bottom. And that screw will be right here. See that? You're going to grab your 2 screws and a 2 washer. Just put your washer and your screw, plug it in, and then put it in the hole right there. And then shoot it where the hole is, right there. And you'll do exactly the same on the other side. Screw, washer, right here. And make sure you reach all the way right here. Place it there and place it here. And then all you have to do is get a star screwdriver and tighten it to righty-tighty. Make sure it is properly tight. There you go. Voila! Test it if it's wobbly or sturdy, which I believe I did a good job. And looks like perfect. Before you start putting your Newair fridge, you need to adjust the legs. So these are the legs 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is very long right here. There you go. So when you adjust this can move. So it's pretty simple guys. You just need to unscrew this, adjust 4 of these, and then there's like a mini bolt here. All you have to do is just forward it right there and then tighten it. Okay, so you'll just tighten it according to what you want. Now it is sturdy, now it's not gonna move, and then you'll do exactly the same on the other side.
Now it's time to review this fridge. The height of the fridge is a little over 33 inches, the length is about 24.5 inches, and finally the width is a little over 23 inches. Here I have 24 cans of coconut water that are 10.5 ounces that I bought at Costco. Let's see if all of them can fit in the first shelf horizontally. Alright guys, as you can see, I fit all 24 cans on the top shelf. So that's good, but what if I placed another 24 cans vertically and horizontally? Let's see what happens. So on the second shelf, 21 vertically, 3 horizontally. So that makes 24. And actually, I have one more space for this. So if I add another can, I actually have 25. On the top here, 24, all horizontally. So if you did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 125 cans right there. The 6th shelf, however, holds less cans because this shelf isn't as big. Let's check out and see how much it fits. Alright guys, so on the bottom, I managed to fit 18 cans right there. Okay, so how many cans can you fit when it's standing up?
The first layer, 47. Wow. And I know what's your next question. How about the second layer? Third, the fourth, that's it. Now I'm gonna show you, watch this. And you can fit 47 as well.
Whoa.
Now the next question is, how about the third? With the third layer, will you fit the same? The answer is no. So you have to look like that, laying down. 4th layer won't fit, do horizontal. 5th layer, check this out. It won't, and it will fit exactly the same. The last but not the least, would it fit? No. So you're gonna do vertical here. 18.
So what about water bottles? How many water bottles can you fit in this fridge? Let's find out. Okay, so doing it this way, I managed 30 water bottles. And what if you organize the bottles both horizontally and vertically? So I managed to fit 34 water bottles on a second shelf. Okay?
So 4 more extra if you do that position on the second layer.
Now that we know shelves 1 through 5, how many bottles can we fit on the smaller bottom shelf? Alright guys, so the very bottom layer, I managed to put 10 water bottles. So in summary, you could actually fit 170 water bottles or 187 cans in this fridge. Ooh. Now let's check out some features on this fridge. Alright guys, so this has a built-in quiet compressor. You hear that? Yes, you hear silence.
We're gonna put the camera closer so you can really hear what's the sound.
Pretty darn quiet.
Quiet. Shh. Shh.
Okay, so another feature this thing has, it has blue LED lights.
Let me turn off the lights so they can really see it, right?
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
That's cool. Here, this is what it looks like closed. Amazing. Okay. High, low, off. So if you guys want to put wine bottles like this, you could actually take out the shelves. Here, I'll bring you closer. So this is what it pretty much looks like up close. So I don't have many wine bottles, but let's see how much it can fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5. So around 30. Okay, let's look at this panel here. So this right here is pretty much what that light was I was pushing earlier. And this is the temperature. You could adjust the temperature right here. So 37 is the lowest it goes. Let's see how high it goes. 66 is the highest. And this changes from Celsius to Fahrenheit, but I like Fahrenheit better. So what if you don't want your mom, dad, wife, kid to get into your new Newair fridge? You can lock it. Newair provides you with these keys. Check it out. There it is. Look. I'm gonna unlock it now. Push in, turn. You're good. I also reviewed Newair's evaporative air cooler. If you want to see that review, click the video right now to check it out. Otherwise, I'll see you at the next item.